prvi tekmi drugega kroga kvalifikacij za konferenčno ligo, poraz na Madžarskem, na koncu po dobri predstavi in številnih zapravljenih priložnostih, minimalen poraz 0-1. Mariborski trener Tanri Vermiš je v primerjavi s tekmo proti Celju spremenil zasedbo na 4 igralnih položajih in ekipa je v celotnem dvoboju dominirala, si priigrala številne priložnosti, žal pa neučinkovitost pred nasprotnikovim vratarjem in tudi nekaj smole pomenita slabši izhodiščni položaj pred povratno tekmo v Ljudskem vrtu naslednji teden. Najzanimivejši trenutki gostovanja na Madžarskem v nadaljevanju.
Today we have started the game with the right mentality. We knew the strength of our opponent with direct balls and crosses, but our team didn't give any chances of them with starting with the first second correct attitude and attention. In the first half already we had so many goal scoring chances. If we were attention also with last passes. Then second half in one action that we were not careful, maybe in the cross we conceded this goal, and after this also we had so many chances. I don't know if a team away against such a team can create so many chances like today. Our team, my players, did their best, and we have everything to even not to draw to win this game. But unfortunately, the result was not like this. In these games, the details and the results are so important. It's 2 legs, but now everything is open for the second leg in Maribor, and we will do everything to beat our opponent home and qualify for the third round.
First of all, we want to say big thank you for the fans that they came all the way from Slovenia. They was really amazing today, and they deserve more. But I think today we did everything, you know, just that it was not our day. I don't know, just we didn't put the goal in the net. But overall it was really good. We had a lot of chances, and I think we believe that we are a better team, and we must show this in the second half. That's it.
Uvijek kući se igra lakše, tu su fanovi iza nas, igramo kući, sicer da nas bodri. Tako da nemam nikakve sugestije da nećemo da pobjedimo kući.
Mađari torej s prednostjo v Ljudski vrt, toda celoten dvoboj za preboj v tretji krog kvalifikacij še ni končan. Še pred povratno tekmo prihodnji četrtek v Ljudskem vrtu pa nas čaka v nedeljo prvo gostovanje v prvi ligi Telemach, ko bomo v nedeljo zvečer gostovali v Domžalah.